Headset. So the new song is that this is Tiger. And they are batting first.
Oh, edge of the bat and goes into the first leg. Cotton. Really lucky Saurabh Muttur. Misfield by the fielder at the third man. Venkatesh Pawar is the man. Nicely catch it beautifully. No need to run for that. Dealt with like a rocket. What a shot from Saurabh Muttur. Good shot. This is excellent shot. That went miles. That went to the distance, out of the ground. What a shot. Goes high. Merritt long on. Can he take that? Oh, just kissing the palm of the fielder. That went for the six. Goes high. This time, the fielder, Pritham Vardhaman, takes the catch. Oh, nicely played. This time, the ball running away to the boundary. There is a man in the deep. Can't stop there. Take that another boundary. Goes on the back foot. Saurabh Muttur cuts it beautifully. Beats the man at backward point. And there is a man in the deep. Can't stop there. Goes high in the air. Simple catch to the man at backward point. This is a big wicket. Asif Sikandar is the man. Couldn't time it well. Goes on the back foot. Appeal. Given him out. Wicket number second for Javed Ahmed. And the fourth wicket goes down. Oh, good ball again. Appeal. And given him out. Yunus Raja caught by the wicket keeper. Pritham Vardhaman has produced a beauty. Full toss ball, plays the turn one, deep mid wicket. This is go all the way. Loosener for Pritham Vardhaman. Catch it, so just in the air, but wide of the fielder. Another boundary, take that. Goes high, goes downtown, and it will clear the ropes easily. That's a good shot, clean blow, middle of the bat. Down the track again, good looking shot down the ground. There is a man at long off. Javed Ahmed, slight misfield and into the boundary. Circle fine, Merritt shot fine leg, beats him, ball running away to the boundary. Will that go all the way? Yes, it is. Consecutive boundaries. Goes high, goes downtown. Has he clears the boundary easily. That will land out of the ground. In the air and in the gap. Slashes well. One bounce into the fence. Goes high, goes downtown. Take that. Again he goes, take that. This is even bigger. Take that, over shot, fine leg. Is that gone all the way? Wait for the upper signal. Third six. Wow, consecutive sixes. Easily work that one on the outside. Catch it. Century for Saurabh Muttur. Fastest century so far in this tournament. Fastest century by a batsman in this tournament so far. The previous best 57 balls. Now 53 balls century. Wow. What a milestone we are witnessing in this Cayman cricket ground. Appeal. Not outside with the umpire. Slight mix up in between the fielders. In between the batsman. Directed, gone bang, I think. Yes, it is. Goes. Down the leg side. Hits it. The batsman out of the crease. And that's it. 171 for the loss of 7 wickets. 20 overs completed. The target for the Falcons team 172 in the remaining, in the stipulated 20 overs. 172 is target in 20 overs. We will be back shortly. Nicely flicks of his pad. Given him out. First wicket goes down. Abhishek SK is the man. Appeal again. Another win. Back to back LBWs. This is good start by Nitish Pidi. Edge of the bat, goes his slight over away from the first slip. Really good start to the bowler. Good shot over mid on. Clean blow, middle of the bat, one bounce into the fence. Nicely played, nicely struck that one. Cuts it beautifully. Man, tip the man. Can he cut it off? He doesn't. Cuts it beautifully. What a shot this is. Stand and deliver. Amer is the man. Third boundary to his name. Cuts it well, fine, nice shot, that will running away to the boundary and went all the way, straight away Saurabh Muttur, welcome by the boundary by Ravindra Singh. In the air, but in the gap. Good cut shot by Ravindra Singh. Oh, big swing of the bat. Appeal, given him out, would you believe it? What a breakthrough this is from Yunus Raja, the big wicket. Flighted one, driven nicely down the ground. towards the extra cover. Much needed boundary. Cuts it fine. Ball running away to the boundary. There is a man at deep cover and the man behind the Tajuddin can't get there. Much needed boundary. Good ball. Take that. Wicket number 5. Nicely swept. Has it gone all the way? No, it hasn't. Filtered down there in the deep, but it went to the boundary. They needed plenty of those. Goes high. Merit long off. Can he takes that? He doesn't. That went all the way for 6. Again he goes straight on the ground. Take that. Straight to the side screen. Wonderful shot. This is by Venkatesh Pawar. Down the track. Big swing of the bat and cleans him. That's a wicket number 7. Goes again. And clears the boundary off. What a shot this is. It's even bigger. Take that. Third 6 to Venkatesh Pawar. This time flicks it beautifully. Tickles it behind. Misfield. And into the boundary. This is a really gifted boundary. Pulls that one to the onside. And has he taken? He taken a blinder. What a catch. 6 ball, 39 runs. Goes for the biggie. And Abdul connects well. Goes for the mighty. It's a brilliant shot. What a long gone for a 6. He goes high. Can he take the catch? And put down. Really lucky Javed Ahmed on the time. So 20 overs completed. After 20 overs, 142 for the loss of 9 wickets. They lost this match by 29 runs. KCC Tigers won by 29 runs. And they register their 4th consecutive victory. And the Falcons team, they lose their 4th match on the row. One is top on the table, one is down on the table. Really nice battle this is. Nice contest.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, today's morning's match was really an amazing match. The match was actually played between the two teams, GCC Legends and KBN CA Smashers. And the KBN CA Smashers won the match by 10 wickets. One round of applause. And now moving on to the afternoon session. The match played between two teams, that is KCC Tigers versus CCR Falcons. KCC Tigers won the match by 29 runs. One big round of applause, please. So may I now request the dignitaries to kindly hand over a check of rupees 2,500 to man of the match, that is Mr. Saurabh. Congratulations, Saurabh. Today's coincidence is both the man of the matches have scored 102 runs and both have 5 sixes, claiming it to be the highest number of sixes for today. Quickly help Saurabh to come and receive a check of rupees 2,500 for his highest number of sixes. And an envelope of rupees 1,000 as a token of appreciation from the team sponsor, Mr. Mudabbir, to Mr. Saurabh. Can we request Mr. Mudabbir to kindly hand over? Saurabh, you need to again come back and receive your voucher of 500 as a food voucher. Can we request the dignitaries to kindly hand over, please? From Maze Bar Restaurant. One big round of applause, people.
KBN Champions Trophy is presented by Khaja Bandanaj University and by Mega Speed Broadband in collaboration with Hash Include, media partner Go Hash. Our associate sponsors include Manur Multi-Speciality Hospital, Shah Hyundai, Bharat Honda, Gulberg Travels, Punjab Footwear Group, Shehbaz Electricals, Sana Builders and Developers, and by AN Banquets. Our gold sponsors include Originals Clothing, Shweta Dentistry, United Hospital, Al Noor Speciality Hospital, and by Maharaja Sweets, Dargah.